How do I update my iPad from iOS 9.3.5 to iOS 12?
Hello, viewers. Today we are going to walk you through a process that might seem a bit tricky, but it's actually quite simple once you know the steps. Updating your iPad from iOS 9.3.5 to iOS 12.
Why update to iOS 12?
Before we start, you might ask, why should I update to iOS 12? iOS 12 comes with an array of updates, including improved performance, enhanced features, and more robust security measures. These improvements can help your device function more effectively and securely.
Is my iPad compatible?
The first thing to do is to ensure your iPad is compatible with iOS 12. This update is available for iPad mini 2, iPad 4th generation, and later models. You can verify your iPad model by going to Settings, General, About Model.
Preparing for the update.
Before updating your iPad, it's crucial to back up your data. This can be done through iCloud or your computer. If you choose to use iCloud, go to Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud Backup. Remember to connect your iPad to Wi-Fi before you start.
Updating your iPad.
Now, to the main event, updating your iPad to iOS 12. First, make sure your iPad is connected to Wi-Fi and has at least 50% battery or is connected to a charger. Then, navigate to Settings, General, Software Update. Your iPad will check for available updates. If iOS 12 is available, click Download and install.
Verifying the update.
Once the installation is complete, you can verify that the update was successful by going to Settings, General, About Version. If you see iOS 12 listed there, congratulations! You've successfully updated your iPad. We hope this video made the update process a little bit less daunting. Updating your device is an important part of keeping it running smoothly and securely. So, don't be afraid to take this step. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated iPad.